Hello students, welcome to your Journal Studies class. Today we are going to start our new block number 16, and the topic is water to live and the subtopic is potable water. Aim is student will be able to recognize the qualities of potable water, and the keywords are potable, germs, boiling impurities. Class, you all have to write these keywords on your notebook. Okay? So let's start the topic. Class, why do we need water? And what are the uses of water? I hope you all know the answer of this question. We need water to live. We use water for various purposes like drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bath, cooking, watering plants, washing clothes, and washing utensils. So, these are some uses of water. Now, class, can the water that we use for washing clothes be used to drink also? Why? We can wash clothes with tap water, but it is not necessary that tap water is free of germs, right? So we should not drink water that is dirty and has germs in it. We should not drink that kind of water which is dirty, which is unclear. Okay? So class, today we will find out about the water that is fit for drinking. To know more about that kind of water which is fit for drinking, let's focus on an activity. Now, activity time. If we have 4 samples of water, 4 glasses of water, sample A is clear water, sample B is water in which paint is mixed, sample C is mud water, sample D consists of leaves, twigs and dirt. So class, which sample of water do you think you can drink? From all these 4 samples, which sample of water do you think you can drink? Why is it so? So, we can drink the sample of clear water, sample A. Which sample is clear? Sample A is of clear water. So, we can drink the sample of clear water if it does not contain germs, because the other samples are dirty. Sample B having paint, sample C is muddy water, and sample D consists of leaves, twigs and dirt. So from all these 4 samples, which one is clear water sample? That is sample A. So class, water that is fit for drinking is known as potable water. Which water? Potable water. What is potable water? Water that is fit for drinking, which cannot harm us. Water that is fit for drinking is known as potable water. Okay? So now come to the qualities of potable water. So what are the qualities of potable water? Colorless, no smell, germs free and no taste. Come to the first point, that is your colorless. So it should be colorless, means completely clear, clean water. Second, no smell. It should have no smell. Water which you are going to drink must be clean and having no smell. Now the third one is your germs free. It should be free from germs. Water that you are going to drink must be germs free, because we should drink only potable water. What is potable water? water that is fit for drinking is called potable water, because potable water is free of germs. It does not contain any kind of germs, right? So the fourth is your no taste, means it should be clean and clear water with no taste, because water have no taste, it's tasteless. Okay, so these are the qualities of potable water. Now come to your content book topic, water to live. We need water for many things like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, and cleaning the house. However, we can only use fresh water to do these things. Exactly, we always use the fresh water to do all these things. So, there is only a small amount of fresh water available on Earth. Where we live on Earth planet. And on Earth planet, a very less amount of water is available. That's why we always say, save water, don't waste water, right? So, very less amount of water available on Earth. Now come to potable water. Water that is fit for drinking is called potable water. Potable water should be clear and should not have any smell. Sometimes water looks clear, but it may contain germs. Sometimes water may look very clear, but it doesn't mean it does not have any kind of germ. They may also have germs. Clear water also have germs. So such water is not fit for drinking. Potable water should be germ free. We should always drink potable water. So the simplest way to make water potable is to filter it and then boil it. Boiling kills all the germs in water. So which is the simplest way to make water potable? If you have a glass of water and you don't know is this water is potable or not, so this to make that water potable, you have to filter that water and then boil it. After boiling, all the germs can kill. Okay, so class, all these things are about potable water that we studied. Now come to your tap water details. So tap water is mostly clear water which has no smell. So what is the simplest way to make tap water potable? That we already studied in our content book. So boiling water is the simplest way to make tap water or any other water potable. Boiling water kills all the germs in water, right? Now come to your content book worksheet. The first question, Suhan has 4 samples of water. Tick the option she can use for drinking. The first is water from a pond. Second, water from a swimming pool. C, water from a water filter. And the D, water from a puddle. So from these 4 samples, which will be the correct one? This is the C part, water from a water filter. Okay. Come to question number 2. Rani wants to drink water. What qualities should she look for in the water? क्या qualities होनी चाहिए? So class, the potable water. Water should be colorless, tasteless, without smell, and it should be germ free. So this kind of water she is looking for. Question number 3. Anil has a bottle of clear water, but he is not sure whether the water is potable or not. So what can he do to make the water potable? Draw a picture of the method. In this question you have to tell the simplest way to make the water potable? So he can boil the water to make sure that the germs are killed. Okay? So it's all about potable water that we studied in this video. I hope you all understand about the potable water. So thank you, class.